Gucokereria gwa thabari cia ndege kuuma kihumo gia virus cia corona gutigite Akenya aingĩ na kimako kigie wagĩrĩru wa itua riu.
There are so many Chinese around with masks walking around in the estate. So, Madam CS, I don't see the reason why, as a government, we should allow ourselves to be that vulnerable.
And all you can afford to say is that we have enhanced our diagnostic equipment. Why do you want to diagnose what you can prevent? I mean, this country is a joke.
I think it is a decision that was made with the best interests of the country at heart.
During travel on board, the passengers are monitored, and even provisions are made to separate the passengers. And they take all necessary action to monitor and ensure that there are no signs or symptoms that any of these passengers may be displaying.
No Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri yugite kwaga gwitikiria thabari ici ni kwamba mutharafaini andu ni undu wa kuria maumite.
I think that is a discriminatory approach given now how the virus is spreading in many different countries.
Thirikari yugite aria marari ndege-ini iria iraumire bururi wa China ni mataritwo uria magirirwo ni guikara na riboti cia ndariri ciothe ni igutangikirwo uria kwagiriire.
They have been prepared by their government to be able to undergo a self-quarantine process, and that is what was done when they came here. They went on self-quarantine.
Ministry ya maundu ma nja wa bururi na ya ugima wa mwiri ni ititeire thirikari kumana na ciuria cia niki kiratuma ndege kuma bururi wa China cietikirio guku bururi-ini no Akenya aria mari Wuhan matireetikirio guku bururi-ini.
Let's not talk about bringing, because it's a lockdown and people cannot travel freely. But these other Chinese nationals and even Kenyan nationals and others who are coming in, they're coming from other parts of Kenya where there is of China where there is no lockdown.
I don't have a factual basis for them. I don't know whether these people are unwell or not, whether these are allegations, whether they're from China or from India or from Marakwet or from Kisumu.
The CS has said, I wish to inform the committee that to date, none of the Kenyans under lockdown and quarantine one has been infected with the coronavirus. Then we ask her, why can they be brought home? Then she says, she cannot be sure if they come here, they will not be infected. Chama, that is double speech.
Akenya ni moritwo mathie na mbere na kwihuga oriri mabururi meri thiini wa Afrika marifotetwo gukorwo na virus ici cia corona.
We have 11 bed capacity at Kenyatta National Hospital, and I think that is enough for us right now to deal with any situation unless we get a increase in numbers, but we think we can meet that target and have that facility ready.
Ona thengia wa wagagu uria ukoretwo guku bururi-ini wigie gucokereria gwa thabari cia ndege kuma bururi wa China, thirikari yugite gutire kamweke itigitie kangituma Akenya manyitwo ni virus ici cia corona. Ngiribotera Inoro TV de Nairobi, njitagwo Gathoni wa Jehia.